Michelle Garcia. Agad-agad naman pala. Picture. So, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Bright morning, everyone! Bright morning! Tumayo na po ako doon kasi pipicturean ko kayo habang iniisip ko po kung anong sasabihin ko. Pero tinawag na po nila ako kagad. I was actually given the assignment. Sabi, Michelle, maghanda ka lang. Very brief speech para daw pasalamatan lahat ng andito tonight. So iniisip ko palagi, this is my third incentive trip. And every time I join, lagi ako nai-inspire. Lagi din akong na-overwhelm. Not because I'm surrounded by performers and producers. Given na po kasi yun eh. But I'm always inspired by the stories I hear. Tinanong ako kanina ni RQ. Sabi niya, Michelle, pang ilang trip mo na to na international? Sabi ko, pangalawa. And then sabi ko, may isa na akong Macaulay, Boracay. So sabi niya, paano mo ma-compare yung Boracay mo and this one? Sabi ko, yung Boracay kasi parang okay siya, pero feeling ko parang tahimik. Mas na-appreciate ko ito because I was able to really sit beside somebody during the 6 days, no? 6 days, kada sakay mo ng bus, kada baba mo, kada lakad mo, kada kain mo, kada pasyal mo. And I'm really amazed at the different stories, yung kwento ng buhay, yung mga kwento, bakit nandito sa Sun Life, bakit nagtagal sa Sun Life, PM Susan, bakit hindi umaalis sa Sun Life. So nakaka-inspire po talaga. And so I realized, siguro yung pasasalamat ko is not because of the performance that you do, but because of the way you actually inspire others, including myself. Nakakataba po ng puso na ganun may mga tao talaga na motivated, driven, engaged, not because only of what they do at work, but the different stories of their lives. And I hope yung mga daming first-timers, ang daming din mga bago na nandito, sana po magkaroon tayo ng chance to really get to know one another. Hindi lang yung hi, hello. Pero talagang alamin natin yung kwento ng buhay nila because one way or the other may matututunan po tayo. Ako talaga ang dami-dami kong natutunan and I believe this trip inspired. Babalik ako doon, ikikwento ko kay La Benedict sa PLT na guys, you really need to spend time with our advisors, with our BFs because they're doing such an amazing work. Not only again sa pag-produce, but you're really changing the lives of many people around you, clients, and also leaders like me, and also your colleagues that's here tonight. Sana po alam natin yun, gaano ka-special yung role natin, kung gaano po kayo ka-special and how you're touching the lives of others. So, maraming salamat po for everything that you're doing. And lastly, sabi ni Dita sa Silito, Michelle, mangako ka doon kung anong pwede mong gawin para supportahan silang lahat. Isip ako ng isip at sakay ko palang muna, ano pa pangako ko? Hindi naman ako taga-product, hindi naman ako taga-underwriting, hindi naman ako taga-operations, di ba? Ano kung maipapangako ko sa kanila? And then, unang lunch ko, tinabi po ako ng Panginoon, kasi Kuya. At meron silang mga tanong, meron kaming kwentuhan, baka hindi na rin nila masyadong naalala. Sabi ko, mahalaga pala na ang mga employees ng Sun Life will always be there present to support our advisors. Mahalaga pala para sa inyo na ang mga employees, kami nasa head office will always be there, very responsive, may initiative, proactive, and quick. So yun po yung talagang nadinig ko sa marami sa inyo. And I will go back, bring that with me, and I will also encourage the rest of the PLT members, the different department heads. Isipin po namin, i-review namin, ano yung pwede pa namin gawin para po mas mapagbuti namin yung support ang binibigay namin sa inyo. So yan po ang pangako ko na binibigay ko. So again, maraming salamat po for inspiring a lot of people. Rest assured that we are all here to support you. Good evening and bright morning again, everyone.